Hello and welcome. Joining me two supremely talented stars, Anushka Sharma and Diljit Dosanjh, actress, producer and now ghost. What was it like turning into one, Anushka?
Yeah, you know, this is what I say, that playing a human was very mainstream, you know, like everybody was playing a human. So I was like, I should do something different. I'll be a ghost. I'll be a spirit. You know, I'm just happy that I got a chance to do something like this, because as an actor, you're constantly looking for new things to do, new roles to play. And I'm glad that it happened through this film. And I don't know, I'm just happy.
What's that one thing that keeps you in high spirits?
Sleep. Sleep is very important to me.
But ghosts don't ever sleep, do they?
Ghosts stay up all night, and this was besides my personality.
Great reviews coming in for the promos and the songs of Filori. So after the hard-hitting NH10, how come Filori?
Yeah, everybody was expecting this to be another hard-hitting film, as you call it. This is also a hard-hitting film, but not in the way that NH10 was. This is a happy family film. It's kids-friendly. So while I am a ghost, it's a friendly ghost. And I think the idea behind the film came from Anshay, the director, who had a friend who got married to a tree. And they used to make fun of him that what if there's a ghost on the tree and she gets she gets attached to you. So that's where the idea came, and then obviously they made the entire plot of the film around that basic idea. So yeah, as in Clean Slate, that's what we're trying to do. We just want to push new concepts and new ideas and tell different stories.
Is it anything like The Corpse Bride? Because there's been a lot of talk that it's inspired an adaptation of that film.
Yeah, the thing is that I have actually not seen that film. But I think this is a very common practice that happens whenever a trailer or anything, like even like a 5-second thing of a film comes out, and people are very quick to jump to conclusions and saying that it was copied from somewhere and somewhere not. So I mean, this is not a copy of any film. Firstly, I've not seen it, but the writer Anvita, she has seen it, and she told me that there's absolutely no commonality. Just because there's a ghost and there's a person involved, that doesn't mean there'll be the same. A human involved, that doesn't mean it's going to be the same story. Also, like I said, this is about a Manglik boy, and being a Manglik and getting married to a tree is a very Indian, very very Indian deep-rooted superstition. So there is no similarity. I can guarantee you that.
दिलजीत जी, आपसे एक सवाल करना चाहती हूँ, गाना आसान है क्या एक्टिंग आसान है?
दोनों आसान है जी, जब मन लगा के करते हैं फिर दोनों ही आसान हो जाती हैं।
अब ये जो नॉन पंजाबी स्पीकिंग क्राउड है, आपको पहचानने लगा है ना?
नहीं, मैं ऐसा नहीं सोचता कि मुझे पंजाबी क्राउड पहचान रहा है या नॉन क्राउड पहचान रहा है। अगर मैं ऐसे सोचता रहूंगा मैं अपनी लाइफ नहीं जी सकूंगा। मैं कोई बात नहीं, मैं चाहता हूं कि फिल्म में लोग मुझे पहचाने, जब मैं स्टेज पे गा रहा हूं तब पहचाने, उसके बाद ना भी पहचाने चलेगा।
You said that you want to produce the kind of films that you want to watch. So, is there a difference in choice between Anushka the actor and Anushka the producer?
No, there wouldn't be, because my basic idea is the same, that I want to do different things, with my career. I feel like I've been given this opportunity by God, and He's been very kind, and I want to make the most of this opportunity. So as a company, we want to, like I told you, we want to do different unique stories, push the envelope. But even as an actor, with the choices that I've made with my films, I mean, I'm hoping that that's the case. I have always thought before picking a film and always tried to do something different. So I think obviously I'll carry that same philosophy even as a producer. Why would that change? It has to be the same, because it's coming from the same person.
Anushka, both NH10 and Filori, small but have an indie-like feel to it. So what's your future vision as a producer? Do you want to now make bigger films with bigger stars, where the big star in question is not you?
See, I think firstly, this is absolutely not a indie film, and I think Diljit is a big star. So we got the commercial, and we got Diljit. So yeah, no, I mean, honestly, this is not an indie film at all. This is a very, very accessible film. This is a very commercial film, and it has a wide audience. Yes, you're right. NH10 had a niche audience, also because it was it had an adult certificate. While this is a family film, it's a film that you can watch with your children, kids. In fact, little children are getting very excited to watch this ghost on screen, because if you notice, you've never seen a ghost like that in Hindi films. You know, we've literally recreated the body of the ghost, made an identity of this ghost, where dust particles form her, and then when she leaves, you know. So that thing, I think, is something that kids are really liking, and they want to watch this. So it's a very kids-friendly film. So I think it is commercial. My kind of commercial.
दिलजीत जी, आप गाना गाते हो, मगर आजकल लोगों को बड़ा याद आता है कि वो जो आइकॉनिक पंजाबी गाने नहीं होते थे, गुड़नाल इश्क मिठा, वैसे गाने नहीं बनते हैं।
बन तो रहे हैं जी, शायद आपने नहीं सुने। बन रहे गाने, मुझे लगता है ज्यादा, पहले से ज्यादा बन रहे हैं। हाँ, ऑब्वियसली गुड़नाल इश्क मिठा एक बार बन गया तो दोबारा तो नहीं बनेगा, ऑब्वियसली, लेकिन और सब्जेक्ट पे बन रहे हैं गाने।
Anushka, you're known to voice your opinions, but today we have an instance where a 20-year-old voiced her opinion but has been abused and trolled. What is your take on it?
You know, Pooja, honestly, I think I hold a very personal opinion on this topic, and I would like to keep it personal and not bring it out in the public domain.
You recently were seen wearing a t-shirt which said, "Let's all be feminists." So, what do you mean by feminism? What is it to you?
This term, feminist, is actually highly abused, and people don't really understand what it actually means. Being a feminist does not mean male bashing. Being a feminist means that you believe in equal rights for men and women. And I believe that, and I think any educated person who cares for the society and cares for the well-being of other people would also hold this sentiment, and that is why the t-shirt said we should all be feminists, because it's being a feminist is not just about, you know, not reserved for women. Men are feminists. You know, anyone who believes in equal rights for men and women is feminist.
You come from a service background, and today there's this constant debate on nationalism and its various interpretations, you know, where you need to adhere to a certain brand of nationalism.
I think I'll just say one thing. I believe that everyone should have a right to their own opinion, and everybody, whether it's an opposing opinion, I think everybody should be able to say what they want to say, and it shouldn't be a problem. I think that's all I'm saying, because that's how I lead my life. You know, we might, even while we're making a film, I'm speaking in my world, but even while making a film, you will have difference of opinion with people, but ultimately it's just that, you know, you listen and you move on. So I think that's all. I think that level has to be maintained.
You've been at the receiving end of online trolling too, so how do you handle it? Does it make you wary to express your opinion online?
I think one must understand why people troll you. I think when you get the understanding of why something happens, it eliminates the possibility of feeling sad, feeling low, feeling depressed, and, you know, and the reason that people make fun of people or they troll people is because it is a very easy thing to do. It's very easy to sit behind your computer and spew, you know, nonsense, rubbish, what do you call that, bad swear words, and do all of these things just because it's easy to do. You know, it's very difficult to actually confront somebody face to face and say these things. And so that means these people are very weak people who want to resort to something like this to feel better about their lives. They want to make someone else feel bad so that they can feel better about their lives, which I think is a very unpleasant and a very wrong thing, because I believe all of us should have a lot of tolerance for one another as people. You know, like it's something that it's becoming so easy for people to hate on each other, and I feel like I think as actors, you know, we also as a singer, Diljit, we always spread love and happiness, and that is the reason. It's a very positive thing. So I think I definitely feel that people should have more just keep a cap on your negativity.
Diljit, Anushka as an actor या producer, किसके साथ ज़्यादा मजा आया?
बोथ जी मैं कहूँगा, क्योंकि जो फिल्में उन्होंने प्रोड्यूस की हैं वो भी डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं, और दोनों ही बहुत कमाल की स्क्रिप्ट्स चुनी इन्होंने, और एज एन एक्ट्रेस भी जो ये काम करते हैं वो भी अलग अलग स्क्रिप्ट्स पे काम होता है, अलग अलग जितनी भी पिक्चर्स हैं वो सब आप देख लें, तो मुझे लगता है कि बोथ दोनों।
आपने अभी उड़ता पंजाब की है, अब इसके बाद फिलौरी, तो आप कैसी फिल्में करना चाहते हैं बॉलीवुड में?
नहीं जी, बस जो भी स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी लगेगी वो कर लेंगे, बस इजी।
Anushka, for someone who has it all, which is that one thing that haunts you?
Yeah, actually, I really fear fear. I don't want to feel fear. I want to be fearless as a person, which means I want to have more faith. And that is actually, honestly, the only thing I fear in life. Fear itself.
The horror genre, we had the Ramsey brothers, then we had the friendly ghosts that came in movies like Bhootnath and Paheli. What's your take on this genre?
Yeah, there are horror films, and then there are films where ghost plays a character in movies. I think it's interesting because there is that leap of faith involved, which allows you to tell a different story. And I think with this film, with Filori, we have worked a lot on the special effects, VFX of the character, and developing this character, and which I feel is a great way of, because at the heart of it, it's a love story, but how are you telling that love story? By involving technology, creating this entity, and presenting that to people. I think this is something that I think is good, and doing something different ensures that people come to watch films, they come to watch movies. So yeah, I think that's what it is. I'm very happy that we've managed to create this entity, and all thanks to the VFX team. And I think this has not been done before, so it gives us makes us feel very proud that we managed to do it, because we could have tried and then it wouldn't have happened, but we managed to do it.
Also, there were these rumors about who is the producer of Filori, that you needed to actually issue a statement clarifying your stand. Where do you think these rumors originate from?
See, I think I've expressed everything that I had to in the letter that I wrote on Twitter, and I have given I've expressed myself very explicitly in that. And besides that, I think I don't want to say anything on this, because talking about such things and giving more value to it by discussing it on a national television is just unnecessarily adding fuel to fire. So yeah.
Well, Anushka, Suraj Sharma gets his Bollywood debut thanks to you. We've only seen him in Hollywood films. What was he like to work with?
Suraj, he was great fun to work with. He's a very young, talented actor. He's studying filmmaking right now, so he is a very prepared. He comes very prepared on set, and he approaches his scenes in a very unique way. And whenever you work with good actors, Suraj or Diljit, I think it helps you as an actor, to convey your emotions better. So yeah, Suraj is great, and I think people are really going to really love him in the film.
Your fans on Twitter have asked us to ask you, if there was one of your characters that you could help as Shashi, who would it be?
I think I would like to go after Meera in NH10, so that she could help her, since Shashi is a friendly ghost. She could help her and tell her what's like please don't go there, please don't get into this mess. You're going to get into a huge mess. There's going to be danger ahead. So I think I would have just helped her.
One co-star that you would want to spook out?
I want to spook him. Yeah, spook as in, I don't want to scare him, but I want to, because Diljit he's such a soft-spoken person, and he speaks so little. But then on social media, he has this completely different personality, which is so entertaining. So I just want to see what is he like in his free time. Does he talk? Which is the real thing?
दिलजीत जी, आपके बेस्ट डेब्यूटेंट अवार्ड को लेके तो काफी लोग नाराज हो गए थे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में।
चलो ठीक है जी, कोई गल नहीं, सबको हक है अपनी बात कहने का जी, कोई बात नहीं।
If you became invisible, what is that one thing you would do?
I think I would stalk the writers and directors who I really like, and see like what ideas they're coming up with and steal their ideas and make films. Raju Irani, watch out.
Would you ever want to take up direction?
No, I don't plan on do directing right now because I don't think it's a very difficult thing to do, and I don't think I have the acumen to do it. It was not difficult to work with my brother at all because I think once, even as partners, if your vision is the same and you're trying to do the same thing, then the journey is very easy and simple and smooth.
Your next is called The Ring. When do we see a ring on your finger?
There are no such plans as of now.
What was your take on that big fat Oscar blooper? Thank God it doesn't happen in our industry.
It was sad, I guess, you know, because people started giving their acceptance speech, and I was just happy that nobody was crying. Imagine if they were crying, if they started crying and then they were told that this is not your award, that would have been really funny. So, baal baal bache wo log yaar.
Clean Slate Films has done a thriller and now a comedy. What can we expect from your production house?
I don't know. I think, like Diljit said, you know, I don't plan things too much also. I just leave things, you know, the way it is. When I read a script, I instinctively react to a film whether I want to do it or I don't want to do it. So, as of now, I am doing a film which I cannot talk about. But very soon I will be speaking about it. But it will be something different for sure.
Thank you so much, Anushka and Diljit. More power to you. Looking forward to Filori.
Thank you. Thank you so much.